Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change currency in Alipay. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Alipay app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, sign into your Alipay account using your login credentials. After logging in, tap on the Me tab located at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Settings. Next, scroll through the options and tap on Currency or Payment Settings depending on which version of the app you are using. You'll see a list of available currencies. Simply select your preferred one from the list. Once you've chosen your desired currency, tap on Confirm or Save to apply the changes. Finally, close and reopen the Alipay app to ensure the currency update takes effect properly. So that's basically how you can change currency in Alipay, and that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.